my channel. Okay, today I am going to teach you a lesson in computer. Yes, the lesson name was Computer Software and Languages. Yes guys, let's go and see the exercises for this lesson. Yes, for Romanus, tick the correct answer. Yes, Microsoft Word is a type of application software. Okay, then the second one, a computer understands only binary numbers. A. Which language is closer to human languages? Yes, the answer is HLL. This is the answer for third one. And the fourth one, which of the following is a spreadsheet program? The answer for this is two single digits is the answer for this. And second, I want to tell you something. The important point, HLL means high level language. This is very important for your exam. They will confirm ask. So this is very important. This full form. Okay, they will ask all full forms. This is very important. This high level language is used to is closer to humans. That's all. Then Dash is an example of systems running with artificial intelligence. Yes, the answer robots. And the second one, Dash is used to help in designing of a product. This is CAD, cat. Okay, CAD is the answer for this. And the third one, software is the same for all the users who are operating on that. The answer for this is software is the same for all users who are operating on that software. Yes guys, let's go to fourth question. Programs are necessary for the smooth operation of the computer system. Yes, software is the answer for this. And fifth question, system software is developed to dash and dash the computer. Yes, the answer for this and control. Then the sixth question, come on. The DBMS is used to dash and the database and find any dash easily. The answer for this is query and information is the answer for this. And the full form of DBMS. The full form of DBMS is management system. Is the full form of DBMS. Yes. Next, go to the match the following. They gave 5 matches. Okay, come on, let's see. First one is system restore. The answer for this, system restore is system software. CAD, general purpose software. And Adobe Photoshop, DTP software. DTP means desktop publishing. Railway booking, simple customized software. And MAC means just simple, has a operating system. That's all guys. This is match the following. And come on, let's go to guess who am I. First question, I am the first generation language, machine language. I am a number system that uses only 2 digits, binary. Yes. I am a type of application software used to create presentations. So, presentation software. And fourth question, I translate the assembly language into machine languages. Assembler. I enable the user to use common names in a place of OS and one as. Yes, assembly language. Yes guys, next go to expand the following observations. Yes, this is very important. So these full forms are very important. They can confirm ask. Yes, first LLL means low level language. FORTRAN means formula transplantation. Yes, this is the answer for second one, formula transplantation. And the third one, COBOL, for this is common business oriented language. Yes, then fourth question, CAD, CAD. This is also very important. This formulation they will confirm ask. The full form of CAD is computer aid design is the answer for this. And the fifth one, basic. Okay, this is this answer was beginners all purpose symbolic code. This is the answer for this. I mean instruction code. Okay, wow. So beginners all symbolic instruction code is the answer. And the sixth one, DBMS means, okay, this answer database management system. Yes, yeah, come on, let's go to the following. Okay, write 2 examples for each of the following. Yes, come on. Okay, first one, spreadsheet software, Lotus 123K. Operating system, Windows 7 Linux. HLL C++. Yes, this is the 3. And after 3 they gave 6, no? So 3 is here. Another 3 you want to write on your own. Yes, let's go to the next Roman. The function of operating system. Yes, this is our first question. The answer for this is, an operating system is the software that controls and organizes the working of a computer. Okay, for example, Windows 7, Linux, Android, Mac, etc. This is the first one answer. Then let's go to the second question. Second question, what is general purpose software and give examples? The answer for this is, you want to take the page number of 6. Yes, let's go to the answer. General purpose software is not written for any particular type of business or industry. Okay, it can be used for communical as well as non-communical purpose. It is the same for all the users who are operating on that software. Some types of commonly used general purpose softwares are explained below, and you want to write that processing software, desktop publishing, database management system, spreadsheet software, presentation software, graphics software, drawing and painting software, computer aid design. You want to write these examples and that full line. Yes, let's go to the third question. The third question, write a short note on system software and its various types. Yes, page number 4 for this answer. System software is the type of software that is developed to operate and control the computer hardware. It also acts as a platform for running the application software. Yes, write operating system for example. Okay, operating system, device drivers, utility programs, language processors, and these examples you want to write. Yes, let's go to the fourth question. Okay, they ask definition between interpreter and completer. Yes, you want to take the page number 5 for this answer. First point, an interpreter is a language processor that translates high-level languages into machine language, which is then executed by a computer. Yes. The second point, it analyzes and executes each line of the high-level language program. The third point, the interpreted programs are generally slow, but at the time of development. Yes. Let's go to the fourth point. They are also used in education so that the students and teachers can be understand. Okay, students can understand the program they are developing. Yes, the fourth, the compiler. Okay, a compiler is a language processor that first reads the entire high-level language program and it collects and reorganizes the instructions. Okay, then the third point. So, it converts high-level language program into machine level language program. And the last point is very, very important. A compiler program runs faster than an interpreted program. Okay. Describe briefly the generation of computer languages. Page number 3 for this answer. Yes. The languages that a computer can understand are divided into 4 categories. Yes, low-level languages, first one. Okay, a computer understands only binary language which is in the form of OS and 1S only. A computer, this means everything needs to be converted into OS and 1S before the computer can understand it. The low-level language are those which are either in this binary form or very close to it. Okay. There are 2 types of low-level languages and you want to write machine language to computers here. First you want to write these and this one. It is the most basic. It is more and the lowest level of computer languages. It is also the first programming language was developed and used in computers. Yes, next go to the next one. Assembly language or second generation language. It has the same structure and sets of commands as that of machine language. However, it enables the user to use common names in place of OS and 1S. Okay, this is the answer. You want to write here to here. And next one, high level languages are third generation language. Yes. Here, okay. Here you want to erase these and want to write high level language. Okay, high level language are closer to human language and you want to erase they are and put end and okay and easier to read and write. Some popular high level languages are C, C++, C has formula translation, beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code and common business oriented language. You want to write this and this has 2 points or you can write casually. Yes. Then fourth generation language and you want to write full line. Fourth generation languages are used to develop software and are complex programming languages. Some of the popular 4GLS are, 4th generation are PL, SQL, Fox, Pro, Stata, Oracle and Visual Basic. Yes. This is the last one. 5th generation. Artificial intelligence languages are 5th generation languages. Yes, artificial intelligence languages are the languages that are being developed. Once programmed, these languages will make the computer solve a given problem without a program in future. Yes, here you want to write, and robots are an example of systems running with artificial intelligence. Yes, that's all. 5th question. And extra questions. In book exercises, they gave of questions, no? Then another of questions they gave on own only. So we want to read that also. So take your note and write the exercises. Okay, first write the book exercises and add these fill-ups true or false. Now I showed you the true or false and fill-ups match. These true or false fill-ups match all the elements you want to copy on your note also. Yes. Yes guys, you want to add this fill-ups and match true or false. So all the following in your note also. Okay, these are the extra fill-ups, match and true or false. Yes. A formula in Excel has to be started sign. Okay, the functions are found under formula tab. System software is developed to operate and control the computer. And match functions formula Excel spreadsheet. Yes. True or false? Excel does not allow the user of cell address in a formula. False. Max and min are statistical functions. True. The functions arguments are the sum different functions. True. Excel uses a calculator to do calculations. False. Write 2 examples for each of the following we already saw. Then give examples. Cell address D4, E5, statistical functions min, max, and mathematical functions sum, AVG. Yes. That's all guys. These are the exercises. You want to add this in your note also. If you like my teaching, then like and share with your friends and subscribe my channel to get more videos. In another video, I will teach you another lesson. Okay. Thank you guys.